You probably didn't ask for a credit score, but here you are, judged by a 3-digit number, whether you're renting an apartment, getting insurance, or applying for a job. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Credit reports make mistakes, and those mistakes can cost you. That's why you need to know what's on yours, and more importantly, what you can dispute. In this video, I'll break down every major credit report error you can challenge legally, what they look like, why they happen, and how to fix them. Let's get into it. 1. Wrong personal information. First up, wrong names, addresses, or social security numbers. Simple errors with serious impact. Imagine your file getting mixed with someone else's just because of a name match. Always check for misspellings, outdated addresses, or numbers that don't belong. Fix these first. They're easy and fast. 2. Accounts that aren't yours. This one's huge. Sometimes accounts show up that you never opened. Could be identity theft or just a reporting glitch. Either way, don't let it slide. Dispute it immediately and request that the Bureau investigate. You don't owe money on something you never touched. 3. Duplicate accounts. 1 loan, 2 entries. It looks like you owe double, even though it's the same account. This inflates your debt load and can damage your score. Always compare account numbers and names. If you spot duplicates, highlight it in your dispute letter. 4th, incorrect balances. Ever pay down a card, but your report still shows the old balance, or worse, says it's overdue? That hurts your credit utilization and payment history. Your lender might have updated late, or the Bureau misreported. Either way, get it corrected. Your credit score depends on up-to-date numbers. 5. Late payments that never happened. A single late mark can drag down your score, even if you paid on time. Sometimes it's a mistake. Sometimes it's an auto payment that got delayed. If you have proof you paid on time, include it when you file the dispute. Don't let one error shape your credit future. 6th, re-aged debt. Here's a sneaky one. Debt older than 7 years is supposed to drop off, but some collectors reset the clock illegally. This keeps the account on your report longer than it should. Always check the original delinquency date. If it's wrong, call it out. 7. Fake collections. Ever get a notice for a debt that was already settled or never yours to begin with? Collectors buy old info, and it's not always accurate. If a collection pops up out of nowhere, ask for validation. If they can't prove it, it must come off your report. 8. Closed accounts reported as open. You shut down a card, paid it off, but your report still shows it open with a balance. That throws off your credit utilization and gives lenders a false impression. Closed means closed. Dispute any accounts that still look active after being shut down. Coming up in 30 seconds. I'll tell you the one letter you can send that makes bureaus legally remove errors, even if they ignore you at first. But first, why it matters, even if you don't use credit. You might think, I don't borrow. Why should I care? Well, credit reports affect more than loans. Landlords check them, employers check them, insurance companies check them. Even if you live debt-free, the report still follows you. The solution: the dispute letter. Before I go, here is a simple advice. Don't let credit errors define who you are. Let clarity and knowledge empower you instead. You didn't create this system, but unfortunately, you're stuck with it. Credit report errors aren't just annoying, they can be dangerous. Honestly, the whole credit score concept is built on unrealistic assumptions. You can live a better, freer life without letting it control you. You have the choice. Think about that. I'll see you in the next one.